Hello friends, welcome back to CPA tutorial. So today we are discussing code force around 819, and in this video I am going to discuss problem C, that I use balanced bracket sequence. So this is very interesting problem. So before moving to the problem, I would like to move to a sponsorship part. So this video is sponsored by Newton School, whose link is given in the description box. So please visit the website. And now I will come to our problem. So what are given in the problem? You will be given a balanced bracket sequence. Balanced bracket sequence. What is meaning of balanced bracket sequence? So this type of bracket sequence which has some meaning, right? This isn't balanced bracket sequence. So let's say that at any point number of, let's consider that, let's start from here. So this is a starting point and this is some ending point, right? So at any point number of opening bracket, opening, let's represent opening greater than closing bracket, and at end number open equal to number close, then it will be balanced, right? So some of the example are these are going to be balanced. Let's open this one. This is going to be balanced. I'm talking about L to R from here to here. Let's consider this one. This is balanced. So in mathematics, let's say we did some board mass problem in child bracket problem. So if this gives meaning, then this is like balanced bracket sequence. So now question is asked that, let's say between L to R there is balanced bracket sequence in substring, then there must be edges. So n is given, n represent sadly 2n represent nodes and 2n represent length of sequence. So let's say there is sequence given, this one, this one, this one, this and this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So consider index as node of graph. So there is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now if you will get any balanced bracket sequence as a substring, then there must be edge line. So here in this case 3 4 is balanced, so there is edge between 3 4, then 2 5, and then there is 1 6, right? So this is given. Now you will have to tell total number of connected component. So what is meaning of connected component? So let's say there is graph. So graph has node 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So can we travel 1 2 3 by any edge? Take any two nodes and can we travel through nodes using edges? So let's say that we can travel this, right? We can travel, let's say 4 and 7, we can travel 6 and 7, we can travel using this path. Any two we can travel, but we cannot travel from 1 to 4 as there is no path or no edges. So there will be two connected component here. So let's say you will be given a graph. Those who don't know graph, don't panic it. Graph is simple node and connected by edges, something like this, right? And we won't be using any graph, like we will be using theory but won't be using any coding practice of graph in this question. So now what will, so you have known, you now know connected component. So let's say you know that there is a graph, then minimum number of component, what can be minimum number of component you can guarantee before starting the question? 1. Let's say all nodes are connected, then you will have one number of connected component, right? You can travel through all these nodes 1 2 3 4, right? So I am taking initial answer as 1. Now let's consider, or let's start with some example. This one. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there is numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 is balanced, so there will be edge. 3 4 is balanced, 5 6 is balanced. 3 6 is balanced, 3 6 is balanced. 1 4 is balanced, 1 4 is balanced. 1 6 is balanced. So 1 6 is also balanced. So you can see these all are the balances. So here can you find number of connected component? So 1 is connected to 2, 1 is connected to 4, 3 is connected to 4, 3 is 6. So all are connected to each other by some path. So number of connected component here is 1, right? Now let's move to other example. This one, this one, this one. So this is 1 2 3 4, and I am defining some level. Let's say I am replacing it as +1 +1 -1 -1, right? +1 +1 -1 -1. Okay, so now consider this. There is, and we will take addition from start. So this is 1, this +1 will become 2. We are adding prefix sum 1 and 0, and we will be looking only on this, right? So, or better to take this example. Then again, what will be 1 and 0, right? So we'll be looking only on opening bracket. Okay, so it's, let's say I am describing it as power, let's say, right? So its power is 1, its power is 2, its power is 1. So I'm not considering this, I'm only considering this. So, or let's say level, let's define it as level. So this is 1 2 1. So as you can see, there is 1 1. So there is possibility that there will be edge between them. How? So let's see that 1 2 3 4, this one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you know that 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there is edge between 5 and 6. There is edge between 1 and 4, right? But is there edge between 1 and 6? You can see that 1 and 6 is balanced. So there is edge between 1 and 6, right? So let's say that this power is 1, this power is 1. Let's say that you will get another one, then its power is 1, and or level is 1, or let's say this one, so its power is 2, and right. So consider this example 1 2 3 4. So its power will be 1 2, then 1 1 2, right? Opening bracket I am considering. Then I am looking for, this is index 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So let's write this way: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, right? Now it's 1 6 balanced. You can see that 1 6 is balanced, 1 10 is also balanced, right? So 5 2, let's say 5 10 is 5 to 10 balanced, 5 to 10 is also balanced, 5 to 10 is balanced, right? And 5 6 is here, this is 5 6 is here, 8 9 is connected. So as you can see, this one 5 7 1 and 2, consider this here 1, right? Consider level 1. only right now. Consider level 1. So it has level 1, 5 as level 1, consider 1, then there is 5. So you will see that 1 and 5 is connected, and 1, and this is 7. So will 1 and 7 will be connected? So 7 to 10 is connected, right? And 10 as 5 is connected. So this 7 to 10 will also get connected. So now you can see that our initial answer was 1. I think that you might be getting our answer, intuition. So let's say this is some bracket, this is some sequence I'm on, and I will get this, right? So its power will increase, its power will increase, right? Or level will increase, and this will cause our answer, our connected component to increase by 1. You cannot connect 1 to 2, as you can see that anywhere, like 1 to 2 you cannot connect. Again, there is power 1 and 2, you cannot connect any one of these. 1 and 2 you cannot connect. So whenever you will get 2 consecutive this, right, whenever you get this one, then you are increasing connected component by 1. So you will have to find that how many bracket sequence, like how many opening bracket is there, such that next element is also opening bracket. This will be that number of time we will have to increase our answer, and we'll get our final answer. So this will be total number of connected components. So I hope that you have got the solution. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.